Hi there, Gary Thompson, president of 1250 Media here. A lot of times our clients ask us, how do you guys operate? And so we thought it might be a good idea to lay out what our process is and give you an idea of exactly how our team works. Typically during the sales cycle, we do a lot of education. We talk to our clients about goals and objectives, what their strategies are for their overarching business versus what they need for their website to accomplish in terms of revenue generation, lead generation, and what percentage of the business is it for them? Is it currently versus what do they need it to be? Once we get through the sales cycle and sign a contract, the first thing we do is we email our clients a questionnaire. Now the questionnaire is about 10 pages long, and it's not too intimidating, but it asks a lot of questions that hopefully spawn thought for you to think about what your website really can do for you. Once the questionnaire is completed, you email it back to our team and we review it. And once we're done reviewing, then we schedule a kickoff meeting with you and our team all together to review the questionnaire. Basically, our team will have certain questions for you based on your answers. And a lot of times what we do is we expand upon the answers that you've given and help you think about things that you previously had not thought of and ultimately come together with a real good strategy for your website. Once that's complete, then we develop a creative brief. And the creative brief covers the scope of work, all of the different information that we got off the questionnaire, the marketing bits, what websites you like, what you don't like, why you like them, why you don't like them. Really give us an understanding both of your subjective tastes and your strategic goals and initiatives. Once the creative brief is developed, we then distribute it throughout our entire team. And initially what happens is that the creative team starts first and they develop some design comps based on your feedback. So typically we present two design comps for you to look at, normally a home, index, and subpage. What typically happens, or what we see happen in most cases, is our clients will like a header on this comp and maybe the text layout on this comp, and together that creates your design. And so we'll take your feedback, put together the finished product, and then present to our clients in a web browser so that you can actually see what it will look like online. Once we get approval from you, we take those designs and we move right into production. That's where we convert your designs to HTML and to what's called CSS, or cascading style sheets, which help carry the design around the entire site. And once that's done, then it's integrated into our content management system, which allows you obviously to maintain your content. So at that point, once the design is built out in the content management system, we then take any copy and images that you have and we upload those into the website based on the sitemap that's been established. Once everything is uploaded into the website, we then go through a thorough quality assurance, or QA, process to make sure that the links are right, that all of the content looks good, that all of the layouts map to the initial design comps, and that we feel very confident that we have a good finished product. Once we have the QA done, we then will hand a link to the client to review the website, see all of the drop downs and how everything works. And we may get a little bit of feedback, but typically it's adding more content and things like that. So once the client has reviewed and approved the staging link, which is the link that we've sent, we then push the website live and go through one more round of quality assurance to make sure that everything is perfect. It's really a fast, painless process, and we've spent a lot of time getting everything dialed in so we know exactly what to do when we need to do it. We also use a project management tool called Basecamp. That allows you to upload all of your assets, including images, content. You can see milestones and to-dos that are set up. It's literally our communication tool between the client and our team, in addition to obviously the communication that you have with our project manager. So really, from the time that we begin the project all the way through, you can see everything that's going on. You know exactly where we're at within the project. And we are what we call an open book company, meaning that when we bill out, we will only bill out for the number of hours that we spend on the project. So if we come in under what's bid, that's all you're going to pay for. And that's how we like to operate. So I hope that gives you an idea of who we are and how we work. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.